Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Nintendo Switch console. It's not only a standard Nintendo Switch, oh no, it's the OLED model. Featuring a vibrant 7-inch OLED screen with vivid colors. This is the Nintendo Switch OLED model. Whoa. We enjoy our favorite games anytime, anywhere, featuring a vibrant 7-inch OLED screen with vivid colors on top. Nice. That's really awesome. Because there is a slimmer bezel. The larger screen's vivid colors and high contrast delivers a rich handheld and tabletop gaming experience, bringing games to life whenever we are racing at top speeds or squaring off against enemies. And you can see that an OLED screen does not have a backlight like LCD screens, instead displaying image using light emitted by each individual pixel. Deep blacks can be presented by turning a pixel's light off, allowing for high contrast, and you will see it directly. It looks so beautiful by using the OLED screen. And it's bigger because of the bigger screen in the housing. And we have a wide adjustable stand. We enjoy tablet mode at our preferred viewing angle. We flip out the stand and hand a controller to another player to share the screen and enjoy competitive or a cooperation multiplayer anytime and anywhere. The Nintendo Switch OLED model's wide adjustable stand can be set to our preferred viewing angle for comfortable gameplay in tablet mode. And we have a new dock with wired LAN port. That means more speed, better performance, and better latence because of the wide connection possibility, but only in TV mode, okay? The dock included with the Nintendo Switch OLED model features two USB ports, an HDMI port for connecting to a television, and a new wired LAN port, local area network. This allowing us more stable online playing when playing in television mode. And there are more space in it now. 64GB internal storage. That's awesome. We can expand the available space using a compatible micro SD card. This sold separately, but in this device, in this appliance, is 64GB now. This is double. So it's double. Yeah, 46GB. We can download our favorite games to play them anytime and anywhere. And the awesome onboard speakers with enhanced audio. We enjoy clear sound when playing in handheld or tablet modes. And if you hear this once, you can hear the better performance in audio and not only in visible. Audio too. We can make a 3-play mode. Nintendo Switch can transform to suit our situation, so we can play the games we want, no matter how busy life may be. We enjoy games anytime, anywhere, with anyone. We have the possibility of the television mode. Gaze around a big screen and enjoy gaming with a crowd. We dock our Nintendo Switch to enjoy the HD gaming on our television. It's easy. We have to connect the HDMI cable on the dock of the Nintendo Switch, and then the other side we have to dock into our HDMI port on your television. And then we have to lay down the Nintendo Switch handheld into the dock, and it will immediately shows you what's going on the screen. The second option is the tablet mode. We share the screen and share the fun. Of course, we can play alone too. We flick the stand to share the screen, and then we share the fun with a multiplayer game. And the third thing is the handheld mode. We carry around a large, beautiful display anywhere we go. And with that OLED display, it makes much more fun. We can pick it up and play with the Joy-Con controller attached. We enjoy playing solo or play together with friends, locally or online. And then in this case, it's the black and white version or the white version. It looks so nice, so beautiful. And we have the controllers. We share the fun with the Joy-Con. Nintendo Switch has a controller on each side of the console that function together, the Joy-Con. We hold them vertically, horizontally, or share one with a friend to enjoy competitive or cooperation gameplay anytime. And of course, anywhere. We can play co-op. We play on the big screen at home with friends or local wireless. Player can sync together up to 8 Nintendo Switch OLED model, or a Nintendo Switch Lite console to play competitive and cooperative multiplayer games. And there are all, you can hear it, it's all possible. You do not need another OLED Nintendo Switch to play together. No. The only thing you have is you have a Nintendo Switch or a Nintendo Switch OLED or a Nintendo Switch Lite. And you can make a competitive play or a cooperation. And of course, online multiplayer. With a Nintendo Switch Online membership, we can play with friends far away and players around the world. Access a growing library of classic NES, Nintendo Entertainment System, and Super NES, Super Nintendo Entertainment System games with added online features. We enjoy exclusive offers such as Tetris 99 and Nintendo Switch game vouchers and more. That's really cool. On the front side, with the power button on the left upper side with the volume buttons up and down. That changed a little bit the dimensions of them. We have a 7-inch OLED capacitive touch screen. We have 2 new awesome speakers on the ground side. On the right upper side, we have the game card. This is sold separately. And an audio jack for connecting commercially available headphones, microphones, or headsets. And then, with the game card, which we bought, we can dock it into the game card slot. And this will get the power and the awesome games into that device. Of course, you can download games too, no problem. And on the right and left side, we have each rail for the Joy-Con. On the back side of the pavilions, we have adjustable stand. By adjusting the stand, the console can be propped up independently on flat surfaces such as floors and tables. We have a micro SD card slot. It supports micro SD, micro SDHC, and micro SDXC memory cards. Game data that cannot fit on the console system memory can be stored on this. An update via an internet connection is required to use a micro SDXC memory card, okay? But no problem. I think you have internet at home. We have a brightness sensor on the back side. We have the rails, of course, right and left for the Joy-Cons, and a USB Type-C connector on the base. This connected device, such as an AC adapter or Nintendo Switch dock, over there. And then we have the dock, the awesome dock. The outside, we have 2 USB ports. We connect accessories like the Nintendo Switch Pro controller or the Joy-Con charging grip on it. We have a TV output LED. This turns on when the image is being output to the television, and a system connector. We insert a Nintendo Switch console to the connecting base. In the inside you can see we have an AC adapter port, an HDMI port, and a LAN port. Yeah, we can open and close that area easily. And we can sort our cables there HDMI is for television. LAN is for the internet connection. AC adapter is for energy supply. Then we have the Joy-Cons. On the Joy-Cons, we have a left button, a standard button, a left stick, a direction button, up, down, left, right. A capture button. This takes a screenshot on the video during playing. We have a rail. We use that to attach this Joy-Con to the console or Joy-Con strap accessory, etc. We have a right button. We have a plus button, an A, B, X, Y buttons. We have a right stick. This can be pressed down and used as a button. It can also be used as a near-field communication touchpoint to read and write Amiibo data. And we have a home button on it. This pans software and opens the home menu. It lights up when a notification is received. And we have an infrared motion camera on the bottom facing side. Then on the back side of the Joy-Cons, we have the VL and the VR buttons, the release button. We use that to detach the Joy-Con from the console, and an IR motion camera. And on the side, we have an SL button, an SR button, another SR button, and player LED. This indicates the play number for each Joy-Con, and a sync button. This pairs the controller to the console and can also be used to reset the wireless connection. That's cool. Then we have in the box the Joy-Con straps. We have on the Joy-Con straps an SL and RSR button, then a plus and a minus mark, a rail and a strap lock. We're looking the strap lock to use our wrist helps ensure we don't lose our grip on the Joy-Con during playing. Then we have a player LED on it. This displays the control number and a slide locks. Then we have in the box is a Joy-Con grip. On this Joy-Con grip we have a player LED, of course, and the rails to dock there the awesome Joy-Cons. And if we dock them, we have a full control system with it. This all is really awesome and so easy. The only thing you have to do is dock it on your television or make it in handheld mode. Make a little setup and then have fun with it. Dock the models into it, the game cards, or download it from the internet. That's the awesome new Nintendo Switch OLED model in white. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.